Hi, today let's make tasty chicken dum biryani at home. This is my recipe. I hope you'll enjoy it. Let's start making. First, you need to take chicken which is neatly cleaned and washed, and let's marinate it with some lemon juice, and then add in some ginger garlic paste and basic spices like some turmeric powder. Add in some salt. Then goes in tomato along with some mint leaves and coriander leaves. Now here doesn't take too much time because I'm marinating the chicken with all the ingredients, so it doesn't take much time. I've added in yogurt, and then I'm adding in some fried onions. So you need to add 3/4 of the onions here and save 1/4 for later. Now I'm adding in biryani masala and marinating the chicken really very well. You need to marinate the chicken at least for 2 hours or at least overnight would be great for chicken biryani. Now I'm making the rice. For the rice, what I need to do is you need to soak basmati rice at least for 30 minutes before you start making your biryani rice. I'm taking 2 cups of rice, so I've added in 4 cups of water, and then I'm adding in some salt, jeera, sugar to balance the taste. I'm adding in some cardamom, cloves, along with some cinnamon, star anise and pepper, and then I'm adding in some bay leaves. Give it a good stir, and then I'm adding in oil of onions which are fried previously, and then I've squeezed in some lemon juice. Now the water is cooked now, so I'm adding in some I'm adding the soaked basmati rice. So you need to cook the rice at least till 70% done, and take it aside and wash it with cold water and keep it aside so that the rice stops cooking. The cooking process is stopped so that your biryani doesn't become very mushy or sticky. Now let's start cooking the chicken. Here I'm using the oil which I've fried the onions previously. This gives a great flavor to the chicken. Now let's cook the chicken really very well. So this is how the chicken is cooking. Just cover it with the lid for at least 10 minutes, and this is how the chicken cooks. The chicken also, it needs to be done at least 80 to 90%. When it's done, start adding the cooked basmati rice and see to that the rice is evenly spread towards the end. And then let's spread in some saved fried onions which we had previously saved. Next I'm adding in some coriander leaves along with some mint leaves. If you like your biryani spicy, you can add in some green chilies as well at this stage. Next I'm adding in some saffron water. Here I've taken hot water and I've soaked the saffron stands at least for some 20 minutes. It gives great color. I don't add any kind of color to my biryani. It's just colors from the saffron. Next, I'm adding in some ghee, and then I'll keep the biryani for dum. You can either make chapati atta and seal your pot. I like to do it this way because it's easy for me. So I've sealed it with the aluminium foil, and it's been 30 minutes. You need to keep it for dum in a very low flame, and your tasty chicken biryani is ready to serve. Look at the color. It looks so good, beautifully done. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. As I always say, enjoy your food and enjoy.